Nawa ako sa... Grabe. Hindi ko lubos maisip yung Indiano, Bangladesh ba yun? Grabe iyak niya. As in, nilapitan ko talaga siya nung nagtapon ako ng basura. Sabi ko, my friend, what happened to you? Sabi niya, my friend, very big problem, my friend. Big problem. I give money to my girlfriend, Filipina. Sabi ko, so what happened? I give money, girlfriend to my Filipina. All my salary go. All my salary out. I have no STC because all my money give. Sabi ko, what happened, my friend? Sabi niya, grabe iyak niya. Sabi niya, my Filipina girlfriend, it's cheater. I check the Facebook. I check the TikTok. She's very beautiful. Wallahi, she's very beautiful. But now when I check original, it's not beautiful. It's ugly. Sabi ko, and why? What happened? I don't know. Maybe she's not Filipina. She's cheating. Sabi ko, what is your problem, my friend? No, I love her. You know, I give everything. I give the moon, the star, the skies, everything I give. But she's lying. She's cheating to me. She's not telling the truth. What her face. When I check the profile of that Filipina, I told her, my friend, that is not Filipina. Tapos sabi niya, what nationality is this? Your girlfriend? That's not Filipina. That's half Filipina, half filter.
Mapriso ka!